Hey, Sketchlab friends. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Patrick fell into a donut shop and didn't come out? Well, today we're turning everyone's favorite pink starfish into the goofiest boba drink you've ever seen. Well, let's draw. So we're going to go ahead and draw these two dots. I'm going to draw a line that curves down. And we're going to start off with Patrick. So I'm going to just map in a little basic kind of cone shape. And so we like to build with shapes and forms, and sometimes these shapes we will change the outline of. But right now we're going to go in and add an expression. So this is the center line of the head. This head is turned a little bit. We're actually going to use some overlapping here today, right off the bat. So this eye on the left is going to be in front of the eye on the right. And then we're going to erase out that construction line. We're building these drawings. You want to draw lightly, it's easier to erase. Okay, so we're drawing a little line that curves up, adds a little bit more overlapping underneath the eye. We'll add in these little oval shape eyebrows. All right, now we got Patrick's goofy little smile here. So now I'm curving a line out to the left, then down. And then we're going to go ahead and add the tongue here. So we have these lines that curve up. All right, so this is his arm. All right, now this hand's going to be holding the ice cream cone. I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see this better. And now this is the actual cone. So it's like a triangle shape. And the top of this, I'm going to curve a little wavy line. And then I'm kind of make some scoops of ice cream. And this adds another little fun detail to his character. Awesome, looking good, guys. Okay, we're going to start off the donut now. So I'm curving a line now to the right on the right hand side. Just cleaning up some construction lines. And I think this donut is going to have more frosting than Patrick has brain cells, guys. And don't worry, the sprinkles are going to be purely decorative, like Patrick's thoughts. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the cup for the boba. Or whatever you want. You can switch it to something different. See, I'm curving that line down for the base of the cylinder. Alright, we're going to add some little 2 dots and a foreshortened circle so we can actually see the drink inside of the cup. Once again, matching those lines that curve down. All right, so I like to move my hand in a circular motion, and then I just put my pencil on the paper. So these are the boba pearls we're adding. If you don't have Posca markers, don't worry. You can still color along with me. We're basically using 3 values today of these different colors. 3 values of purple, right? Pink. And if we don't have 3 values, we're usually always at least using 2 values. That's going to help make your drawings appear to be more 3-dimensional because value adds depth and dimension to your artwork. Awesome. So this is the straw yellow. Then I've got some ochre. For the orange, I did apricot and light orange. The orange frosting. Going back, adding the shadows in with the yellow ochre. So this is ivory, which is basically a light yellow, and that's the apricot and brown. Then I'm going with a little bit of beige to add some shading. This is the coral pink, which is a great color. Now I'm going with some just regular pink, and now this is going to be, light pink and now regular pink. And right here I've got purple and then dark purple. I'll go back and add the highlights here in a second. You can see I've got 3 values of pink. So I've got light pink, pink, and that coral pink. Adding in those sprinkles, and I'm sorry what I said earlier, Patrick. So we have dark red, and then black, and I'm going to do a little bit of color mixing to create a color gradation. So that's the fun thing about Posca paint markers. You actually mix them just like paint onto the canvas. And now we're just touching up the outline. Well, it's Patrick as a boba donut because, well, why not? You want more fan art mashups? Well, subscribe and check out the full fan art series playlist. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.